Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So some reaction to the downside has started. Well, now we should see whether this pattern will be formed on the daily chart, and as we suggested. So because existence of the large pattern of this kind, it's opening really big changes for trading in higher time frames and on lower time frames, because when you know the potential direction in advance, you could plan your trades on the different time frames in the same direction. So currently we are watching for a pullback out from this top. Approximately, well, this is just due to the harmonic relation of the left arm and potential right arm. It should be somewhere 10980 area, where the bottom of the right arm could be formed. On the intraday charts, guys, we see on the 4 time frame chart, well, that's a kind of the double repo sell pattern has been formed here. Well, nice thrust up. Here is in the final stage. There's no closing below 3x3. Only in the beginning with these pullbacks, it was just one closing below 3x3 with one candles, and then market returns that back up. So in general, this is not bad thrust up. Close below 3x3, close above, creating the new top. Close below again. The one thing that's a bit worrying means that existence of the untouched OP. That OP target has not been hit just for a few pips, but sometimes it happens that market just will not reach precisely the OP target. So anyway, here we see it's possible development of the downward action. If you plan the trades on the bearish side, it would be better if you will place initially stop above the OP area, because sometimes it could happen that market just will spike up, hitting the OP and then return it back down. So based on the pattern that we have, of course we need to place stop a bit closer, but just taking into consideration this target, we can't totally deny the possibility that market could show this spike up, although based on the pattern and logically it seems that probably this should not happen. Anyway, here we have a kind of the double repo pattern, which suggests a deep downward action retracement. Well, here we have two levels. First is 1030. Based on the OP, it should reach precisely somewhere 10980. This will be 50% support of the whole upward action. That corresponds to the bottom of the right arm on the daily chart. On the hourly chart, this price action takes the shape of the head and shoulders pattern. As you can see, it's left shoulder, head, absolutely classical scenario that we see, strong bearish divergence forming. Well, the one thing here, guys, I plot this ABC top pattern with the two targets, but theoretically C point could drift slightly higher, just based on the harmony of this pattern. It seems that it could be somewhere around 1166 or even 1185, so slightly higher compared to this area. So I'd not exclude that market could show some upward continuation here. Well, so C point could move slightly higher and the targets will be also slightly higher, but this doesn't change the core, the overall shape of the pattern. So taking into consideration this ABCD, we have the OP right now 1028. It creates agreement with this level 1029 to 1040. It's confidence support, so very strong support area. XOP stands 10950, so slightly below than 10980. Classical target, which is distance between the top of the head to the neckline, counted in the direction of the breakout from the neckline down, shows the same 10980 area. So that's approximately the levels that we will consider as a potential destination point and forming of the large pattern on the daily chart. So currently, I would say that everything stands just perfect if we wouldn't have this untouched OP target, which provides some risk to the overall construction and keep chances on the possible spike here, forming different pattern or something of that sort. But let's see what will happen, because currently with the hand shoulders on the hourly chart and with double repo here, everything looks promising. So that's what we see currently on the euro.